So I've seen so many people shy away from jump index, and today I'm going to take you through how you can be able to trade jump index like a pro. Yeah. So you're going to have a look at, let's for example have a look at jump 25. Yeah. So okay, I like using trade view, but sometimes I use MT5. Yeah, so okay, I don't like using the lower time frame. Yeah, okay, some people prefer it, but I don't prefer this one because it has a lot of noise. Yeah, for me, I consider it as being too noisy. So what I do, I first of all, one thing that I usually do is that I start analyzing my volatility chart from the high time frame. Okay, yeah. So I start analyzing my chart from high time frames, and I start by marking the key points. That is the demand and supply areas. That is the resistance and the supply. Yeah. So I start by analyzing that. As you can see, by the way, generally looking, you can see that volatility indices, they are easy to predict technically. Yeah, because as you see, like for here, you had a double bottom, you go there. This one and this one, you go there. Like you can see a head and shoulder. These where we call this as head. This shoulder. Okay, this shoulder, and now this one is the head. Okay, yeah, so you can see this a very straightforward head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so if you were here, you could have taken all these trades and you could have eaten with a big spoon. But what you are required in volatility indices is consistency, because if maybe you entered here a buy and then it went sell, then if tomorrow you don't come back and try to sell it here, then you will end up saying that volatility indices are scam. Yeah, and that is why so many people, you see them on social media saying that volatility indices, they are scam. But I can tell you, volatility indices actually, they are the easiest to trade because they only rely on technical analysis, and like there is no fear of news. Yeah, that maybe some news might come in and might take the market in a bad way. Okay. Yeah, so and you can see that actually it is respecting key levels. You can see it is highly respecting key levels. Okay. Yeah, so basically I was looking at it. Let's go here to jump 25. And as you can see, so we start analyzing from the higher time frame. As you can see, this one, we have a pattern here that is forming. Okay, you can see it respected this area, and after it respected this particular area here, you can see it started going down, and there is still another area here. And so we can be able to predict and see a pattern that is forming. First of all, these are an area of support, as you can see, that extends from this point. The second thing is that we can be able to see a pattern. Yeah, I can be able to see clearly a pattern that is forming, and that is head shoulder pattern. Okay, can be able to see head and shoulder inverted. That is inverted because you can see this is the head. Okay. I don't know why it's not copying. I think then I should light. So this is the other shoulder, and this is the head. And you can clearly see this is an inverted head and shoulder pattern at a higher time frame at 24 hours. So it's giving you a buy signal. So let's continue and go to lower time frame. That is 8. So you can see the head and shoulder is more clear at this particular time frame. Okay, and so this one, if you could have sold from here upward, so it's very easy to trade volatility indices. You just need to have a bit of knowledge on technical analysis. Know the chart patterns, understand them, know how they form, and then you are good to go, and you are going to be good to do volatility indices. So tell me which video you might request for me to make for you, or which kind of information you want to know. Because with this one I believe that you can also jump in. You can jump in and buy on this one. I'm sure it's going to buy for some time. So that's it. So kindly, if you find this video educational or helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and share with your friends.